Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to make Kilishi, Nigerian beef jerky. Here are the ingredients you will need: wafer thin beef, ginger, cloves, garlic, stock cubes, dry cayenne pepper seeds, and suya pepper or suya spice. I have a video on how to make suya spice. And here are the exact quantities of ingredients I used for about 10 pieces of wafer thin beef that are about the size of my palm. First, cut off all the fat from the beef and rub some salt on it like this. Line your oven tray with a baking sheet and lay the pieces of beef flat on it. Bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. Flip the pieces of meat after every 5 minutes. While that is drying up, we prepare the seasoning and spices. Stir very well and set aside. After 15 minutes, bring out the beef from the oven and rub the Kilishi spice solution on them. Put back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to flip them from time to time. It's done when it looks like this. In northern Nigeria, the home of Kilishi, it is dried under the sun's intense heat for about 3 days. But now you've seen how to make it in your kitchen in under an hour. Bye bye!